All right, check this out. We're doing social distancing at its best. We're bringing back the drive-in movie theater. Check it out. Lunch, hot dogs. The heck? Come over here. See this kid right here? You have sunglasses under there? Silly. How come I can never enjoy a meal? Just sit down in peace and enjoy a meal. Why is that? Oh yeah, because I have kids. Today we're gonna have a movie theater. We're gonna have a drive-in movie theater. So get your popcorn, get your snacks, and get ready because we're about to have a show. First thing you need when you go to a drive-through movie is you need a car. So right about now we're gonna make some cars. We're gonna use these cardboard boxes. Which car is this?
Hey, that's mine. Look at my car.
Is that your car?
Beep, beep, beep.
Wait, you're just gonna draw your headlights on there?
I'm gonna draw my logo.
Logo, cool. We're gonna make these the headlights. Check it out, guys.
What are you doing? I have to.
Just like that. Perfect. Yeah, right there.
That's a knife.
This is a knife. This is 2018 knife of the year.
Let's go too. No, Mommy did. Wait, what the?
Wait, what? Is that a headlights for a car? Oh my gosh. It's awesome. Okay.
Yes, we'll say it.
Pencil, please. Thank you. Alright, so once you rip off this panel right here to the box, just like that, you can make wheels.
Can you make some wheels for me?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, if we don't have 4 wheels,
Yes, set them for that.
it will not fly. How about glue?
What about tack? Would a tack work?
Can you draw the way on this side?
Yeah, I'll draw door in this. Look how good I draw door. Look at this. Get the eye. Get that right there. Does that look like Dory?
Yeah.
Cool. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Is that cool, guys? Who's the best artist you know? Yeah, me. I'm gonna show you how to draw a Papa Pig. Ready? First, you draw something like this, and then like this, and then like this. What does that look like right there? What does that look like?
Have a pig.
You know, dirty mind. Who's that?
Pig.
You threw a little steering wheel inside your car?
These are yours. Those are all.
Stop.
Daddy's taking away the chopsticks.
Okay, here, Jasmine, I'll get your own chopsticks. Come here.
Behold, Jacob, it's Joshy's car. Behold, it's my car. Behold, Joshy's car.
Jasmine, are you happy?
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the fly sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Hey,
Ride
Jasmine.
with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the fly sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
All right, guys, you saw the kids are at the drive-thru movie. That's day 3 of the COVID curfew, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Whoa! Scared me.
Okay, done. Oh, wait.
Got a good idea.
What?
Watch out, don't knock over my camera.
I have an idea. Mom.
I got some ketchup.
No, don't please. Don't. Oh. Wait, ketchup. Hey, why are you using ketchup?
Ow! Damn!
Are you dead or something?
Ow!
Hey,
You messed up the prank. Dude, you suck.